day. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. It has been so long since I made a video, only because, how do you say this? It's just been exciting in my life. Like it's been good. Life is good. God is good. You know. I was waiting. I'm shooting this video inside my car because it's really windy outside. Not really windy, but it's like 10-15 miles per hour wind, which is horrible for the audio. I didn't want you guys to listen to that. I have a lot of news I want to tell you guys. I have a lot of great things I want to share with you guys. And as you guys been following on my Instagram, we got a boat. I can't say that I got it because it is under my friend's name. You guys know this guy. He's been in some of my videos, and he's just a very close, he's more like a bro to me, you know. He's like a brother, older brother to me, and he basically said, your channel needs to upgrade, let's go get a boat, and like, don't worry about it, let's just go get a boat, let's go have more, let's go create more content, more memories, and let's just do some awesome like fishing, you know, some fun fishing that he's always wanted to do. So the story is, we've been looking for 2 months and we finally found the boat. It is a Lund Angler SS 1650 with the 50 horsepower. It's the perfect boat. We didn't want anything too big, we don't want anything too small. We did get the boat because to us, we do more of like river fishing for, you know, walleyes, white bass, crappies, bluegills, stuff like that, you know, catfish. And we thought this boat would be perfect for us, okay, because we're not extreme like bass fishermen, right? Like I love bass fishing. I can go extreme if I want to, but you guys know me. I love my love for panfish, my love for catfish, walleye, stuff like that. It's in here too. So this multi-species boat, it is the perfect rig for us. We are first-time boat owners, so we're learning as we go. We're gonna change the batteries, trolling motor, stuff like that, and it's just gonna be a great, like, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a great journey. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. So enough talking. I'm gonna wash the boat at my friend's house here, and you guys can enjoy the clip, okay? Enjoy all the clips that we made. I went out with my dad, I went crappie fishing, I went pan fishing, walleye fishing. We did all this like fun stuff. So hopefully the wind's not blowing the mic, but enjoy this new view on my channel as we get into this whole new like journey. So thank you all for supporting me. Just thank you, and I'll see you guys in these clips. Peace. Đâu Got one. There you go, Dad. Yeah. The crappie. Yeah. Oh, yep. Nice. Kilo. First bass. Oh, jeez. Oh, the jig back behind the hat. Jeez, relax. It wasn't big, but whew. Oh, I got one. There we go. Yeah. Knew they were here. Nice. Finally, it took forever. Yo, Haji. Oh. Oh. Look at that. What's on the look? Someone down. 아유, 요. 씨. 네, 또. 아유. 또 타요. Look at that, guys.
ลูกก็ตัวตะกี้นอนเลย
Yep. Yo. Hey. Come on. Man, my dad's killing it. Whoa. Oh, it's a big one. Careful. Whoa. Hey, mama. Oh. Hey, Dad. Whoa. Look at that, dude. Oh my god. Look at that. See? Look at that, guys. Huh? Oh. Oh, got a big one. Yeah. I found him. Nice. Oh, yeah. Yep. Power of vertical jig. There's a tree out here, guys. So I'm gonna parallel us, and you should be able to hit it.
Oh, I got hit.
Yeah.
Man, that felt like a crappie, dude. Oh no, it felt like a bluegill.
No, was it running around a circle?
Yeah.
Then that was a big bluegill.
Yeah,
That was a big bluegill.
Because like you know how yeah, like you were saying, like crappie.
Got one.
Oh, nice. I told you I had found the hit.
I need the net. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got another hit.
I told you this. It's a pike, I think. Yeah, it's a pike. He's darting real fast.
Jeez. Oh, what is it?
It's a pike.
Dang.
Oh, it's a bass. Jeez, that's a big bass. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice,
Maybe
dude.
that's what I caught.
Yeah.
Man, it's raining.
Look at the crappie jig. Oh. Laugh at me now, man.
It was first bass with the season.
First bass of the season. Oh, Danny got one. No. Nice.
Nice.
That's the best start off the morning. See ya, dude.
There you go. Believe it.
Got one.
Ooh.
Hey.
Hey,
Net.
Hey.
That's a big fish. Feels like a bass. Oh, jeez. All right.
I'm fishing for a raw species. I'm going for crappie.
I am. Oh, it's a big fish, dude. I think it's a big bass. Oh my gosh.
Right, dude.
Right? It could be a flathead. He's coming up.
Hey, Danny, I dare you to say it's a big bass, real loud.
What's a 5-pounder?
You always make me do.
That's a nice fish, dude. He's coming. My leader's right there. Oh, it's a big old pike. Oh, jeez, broke me off.
Jeez.
It's a big old pike, dude. Like the Bong movies.
That's a big pike.
That's a big pike, yeah. It's a nice pike. Got him.
Yes, nice. I got that on camera. Hey, you got the net?
Oh, it's a bass.
Nice.
Let's go. Ah, look at that.
Nice.
Ate it, yeah. It ate the whole thing. It happens. Ako, me too.
I used to
Yeah, just keep going out. Yeah.
Kill myself. I didn't want to
I'm used the leader to hang myself.
I just goes back that way. Alright, right here.
Yep, just keep going. Yep, keep going until it drops. But seaweed's good though. Maybe they're hiding in there. Oh, I got a fish. What the? I'm fixing my line. Oh snap, dude! I got a fish, dude. I'm actually. Oh, this guy's big actually. It's a big bass. That's a big bass. Get the net. It's a big bass. Dude, I was just fixing my line, bro. Yeah! Big big foot in there.
You got it right? You got it right?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Dude.
Nice, dude. What the heck? I was just fixing my line and then.
Let me get a key. Huh?
Yeah, look at that guy.
2.5.
Yeah, it's 2.5.
You want a picture?
Sure.
Nice work, dude.
Line. And I smoked this nice like 2.5 pounder. Look how fat it is. Look at that fish. Let's go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a crankbait out.
Got him.
I almost.
It's a pike. It's a pike. No, it's a pike. It's a pike.
I never cast that way, man.
Yeah, it was a pike. You guys saw hooks that though? It was a pike, yeah. We're in 6 feet of water now. It's a pike. It's a big pike though. Gotta pick these pockets, man. So these freaking bass are hanging in. Why not, right? You see those fish? Panfish?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I saw that.
Jeez.
Just cut that. Use a couple.
Bro, he wrapped the whole line around his mouth.
He did that for one, you do?
Dude, oh my gosh. Look at that. It like shut him out.
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can choke, bro. Ça, j'aime longtemps, dude.
It's pretty cool. It's like swimming in the water, dude. There's rolling there.
Yep. Pike City. What happened? You got a bite? Oh. Yeah. Okay. What you got? Bluegill. It's a bluegill. It's going in a circle. It's a big bluegill, dude.
Yeah.
Jeez, you need a net? Oh, dude, thing's huge. Swing him in, bro. Oh my god, it's huge. Oh, dude, it popped off.
Hey, you pay off, dude.
Dude, look at that.
DYangBass.
Holy, put him in live.
There you go. Look at this guy. I see that, dude.
Put him live for now.
Dude, wait, is it this one?
Yeah. Jeez.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I got
There,
fish.
there,
I got. Yep. That's a nice one. That's a real nice fish. That no. Yeah. I'm gonna need it. Whoa, that's a big one. It's a big one. No, I got it. You gotta go.
Yeah, that's a good one.
You see that? That's a big one right there.
Danny got excited.
Got one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a very nice one. Oh, the walleye. That's why. Oh, jeez.
What the heck?
It's not 18 for sure. Jeez. I was like, bro, that's a very nice fish, dude. Gosh. That's not 18 for sure, so. It's in the swim bait. It's underneath Vang's feet. Look at
got a bite.
See a bite, yeah. Yeah, I don't think you used Mr. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Holy smoke! Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got a bite.
Yeah, you are.
That's a nice one. That's a real nice one. Get in the boat! Look how messed up he is, though. Gosh. It's amazing how tall they are. I got fish. Get out of here!
Yeah, nightmares tonight.
We'll keep this guy right. Nah, screw it.
Do not put me in
This is the guy. This is the guy who made the magic happen. But here's the view. Here's the view of the beautiful boat. The boat that's gonna change this channel. We have plenty. We have crazy like adventures in the planning right now. So this is what it is right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that first couple clips of us fishing for crappies, panfish, white bass, walleye. But we're gonna go ahead and wash it down real quick, and yeah, you guys can watch me wash it. Get down and dirty.
There you go, bro.
Is there a way that you wash it?
No.
Not to rinse it. Yeah, dude, all that like little bugs. Yeah, dude, they're starting to exist now.
Yep.
So I'm like, man.
Are you recording yourself watching this?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, well,
You
I'm
want
gonna
to
help
get-
you. No, I'm not gonna help you.
Ah, you can help.
Remember that. Alright, get some for the video and then we'll watch it.
Alright. You work today?
Yeah. Yeah. Work? Yeah.
Alright guys, I shot a closure already, but I had to change up the angle because of the sun. It's beaming like at my face and it's super bright. Anyways, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm just so excited. I'm just so thankful for my good friend out there. He's like a brother to me, and he basically just said, your channel needs to upgrade. Let's go get a boat and let's just create more content, more memories on the boat and catch bigger fish basically. And I was like, you know what, I'm down. Let's go get it. I'm excited. Let's do it. So we have a lot of outings planned ahead of us, and we just can't wait to do some catfishing, flathead fishing, walleyes, white bass, just more multi-species stuff. You guys will see bass fishing video as well because I love bass fishing. And with this boat, I'm just so grateful. I'm just so thankful that I have friends like this. I have friends who are, you know, willing to help me out when I'm in need, right? And I didn't want to do an introduction video to the boat yet because I wanted to like fish out of it, enjoy it, and just, you know, just have a good time, create memories first thing first, and then, you know, I can focus on the content and bring it out to you guys. So here it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the boat, and I'll see you guys then. With that being said, peace. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water. I said that all backward. Anyways, you guys know the drill. See ya!